showers and chance of thunderstorms until midnight. Then the National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oldham County in central Kentucky, northwestern Shelby County in central Kentucky, west central Henry County in central Kentucky until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near LaGrange, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include LaGrange, Crestwood, Pewee Valley, Dimpletown, Buckner, Floydsburg, Skylight, Ballardsville, Brownsboro, and Centerfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Will impact southern Oldham, northwestern Shelby, southwestern Henry, and southeastern Oldham County in central Kentucky until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, emergency management reported East Moody Lane near Highway 53 was impassable due to high water. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
That's really different.
Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include LaGrange, Centerfield, Buckner, and Lero. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. This is a special weather statement.